Everyone was cooped up from being in the rain. We're getting our energy out. Really, they driving you crazy? Enzo, leave her alone. I'm stuck in all day Saturday. Yesterday was chilly and kind of wet. We were poured out all morning. I got my old farts on the other side. I can't be bothered. And now everybody's running around like maniacs. So you're welcome to all my customers. Getting your dogs nice and tired. When you come pick them up, they're going to go home and sleep. Garfunkel! Sweetie! Charlie! You're so serious! Chloe, how's the wall holding up? Alright? Alright, good, I'm glad. Cammie's falling asleep. Cammie! Wake up! Go, Bella, go. Go, Brady, go. Go, go, go. Connor's hiding in the shed. Callie, what are you doing? Bailey, stop eating sticks, okay? I don't need you pooping out trees when you go home. Our little cuckoo birds. Sugar! Sugar! Don't be fresh. I see you. I'm watching you. Scooch. Ah! What'd I say? Mind your business. Don't tell me no. Scooch. Callie, you had enough? I gotta get these mats, man. These are awesome. Thank you, Job Lot. Hey, what are you eating? Give me that. No leaves for you. No leaves and sticks. Get out of here. Glad I didn't grab poop. Good. Go run a few laps. Enzo! Enzo! I'll protect you, Bailey. I know, you got the siblings over here. Get out of here. Get out of here. You, get. You're fresh. You're a big bully. Alright, they're having a ball. I'm having fun watching them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Haven't checked in a while. So busy. Alright, hopefully we get a break from the rain for a while. Have a good day.